Which river is infamous as Sorrow of Bengal? Correct answer is Damodar River. Which river is also known as Dakshin Ganga? Correct answer is Godavari. Which river in India crosses the Tropic of Cancer twice? Correct answer is Tapi River. Which river has the largest basin in India? Correct answer is Ganga. Which is the largest river in India? Correct answer is Ganga. Which river in India is called the Salt River? Correct answer is Luni. Which river originates from Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is Narmada. Which of the following is a habitat for freshwater dolphins? Correct answer is Ganga. Is the place where Alaknanda and Bhagirathi join and take the name Ganga? Correct answer is Devprayag. Which of the following river flows through the Rift Valley in India? Correct answer is Narmada. What are the two head streams of Ganga? Answer is Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. Which is the longest river in India? Correct answer is Ganga. Is known as the Sorrow of Bihar. Correct answer is Kosi River. Which of the following river originates as well as ends in the territory of India? Correct answer is Chambal. Which of the following river is known as Dakshin Ganga? Correct answer is Godavari. Indira Sagar Dam located in Madhya Pradesh is built on which of the following river? Correct answer is Narmada. Krishna Raj Sagar Dam located in Karnataka is built on which of the following? Correct answer is Kaveri. Which of the following river is the home for freshwater dolphins? Correct answer is Ganga. On which of the following river Ajmer is situated? Correct answer is Luni. Which of the following is the most abundant dissolved ion in the ocean? Correct answer is chlorine. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South? Correct answer is Godavari. The river Indus flows through which of the following states in India? Correct answer is Punjab. The Kaveri river originates in which state of India? Correct answer is Karnataka. The Satpura range is situated between two west flowing rivers. They are Correct answer is Narmada and Tapi. The river Brahmaputra is known as it enters Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Dihang. Through which of the following sets of states does Krishna river flow? Correct answer is Maharashtra and Karnataka. The main river flowing in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is Correct answer is Jhelum. The peninsular rivers which do not join the Arabian Sea are Correct answer is Godavari and Krishna. Which of the following rivers is known as Bridh Ganga? Correct answer is Godavari. Which of the following cities is not located on a river bank? Correct answer is Mysore. The Siachen Glacier's melting waters are the main source of which of the following rivers? Correct answer is Nubra. The river Kaveri originates from which of the following states? Correct answer is Karnataka. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.